YouTube. Man, what's good? What's good, man? I'm so blessed to be here with y'all again, bro. For real, man. I'm talking about, I'm honored to give y'all all this info. I'm trying to give y'all with this content. I'm so blessed and honored. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But look here, I got something special for y'all. Something real special. This right here, my stepdad, man, he let me just take the time out, you know what I'm saying, to do this little clip. I told him I wanted to do something special for him. I normally cut his hair, you know, every other week. So I said, man, I'm gonna just wait, just try to let everything grow out, because I wanted to do something special for y'all. I know y'all probably tired of all these wall with these magic clips, even though they my favorite clippers. But hey, look here, I got something special, like I told you. Now, I'm a master fella. I'm a master fella, man. I've been cutting hair with masters, man, almost 11, 12 years strong, man. When I got out of barber college, that's what I was using. So I wanted to dedicate this video to y'all, the Andy people. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a minute since I rock with these masters. I've been having it for a little minute, but you know how I am with my magic clips, man. You know, it be hard to get the magic clips out my hand. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna rock this here. I'm gonna rock this video right here just for all my Andy's fans. So we gonna do this. It's gonna be a drop fade. We're gonna do a drop fade, and I got something special for you. So just hold tight. We gonna start out. We're gonna zero it all the way out with the 4-out, and look, some you know me. I'm real simple. We ain't finna use all these guards. We not finna use all these guards. I got one guard with these magic clip, with these Andes masters. You already know I don't even use them, so I'm gonna use one guard, and that guard gonna be a 1/8, or call it a 1. And so we're gonna start out with my level wide O, create my first guideline, and then I'm gonna add my 1/8. I'm gonna add my 1/8 and erase my first guideline, and I'm gonna create me another one, and I'm gonna open my level all the way. Well, on my you know what I'm saying, my Andes, and I'm gonna get that line out, and we gonna pretty much fade everything in with our level wide open, halfway closed. We're gonna clean up everything, and it's gonna be our blowout. And it's pretty simple now. You can watch the video and see everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna do everything like I just told you, and I ain't finna tell you to open the level, close the level. You're gonna have to just feel it. Once you pick up them clippers, I promise you, you're gonna get a fully clean understanding of what a transition is supposed to look like when you open up your level, when you close your level, and you close it all the way. It don't matter what kind of clipper you use those 3 little simple little rules: open, halfway, close. You got a transition. It don't matter what kind of guard, what size guard you got. Use those 3 and see how they fit you. That's how you gonna judge what type of clipper that you like. So in this video right here, we gonna use the basic tools, and you already know how I am about my comb. Love my comb. This is my handy dandy tool. When I'm lost, that's why I go find my tools to come rescue me. That's my comb. I'm gonna get my comb to clean up my little areas that I feel like I need to be cleaned, that need to be touched up. And I'm gonna go ahead on and rock this out. Now, I've been cutting my stepdad hair, man, for a long time. So it's pretty much easy to me. I'm in like kind of a bit of a rush, but I'm at the same time, I'm chill, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to get this video right here just out, because I'm already behind. I mean, I got like 6 videos been bagged up. My laptop been tripping on me. My wife been, I'm talking about, she been everywhere. Man, you only knew. But anyway, we got everything locked and loaded. I'm finna try to push this stuff out. I'm trying to do like 3 a day. So this the first one. I said, man, I gotta give them something nice. So with this little info I'm gonna give y'all, just try to bear with me, because it's like 15, we're gonna say about 16 minutes. And I'm on it, but the video gonna be straight. It's just the info that you really need to hear this. You need to hear this, because it's like real knowledge, real talk. Cause I know you probably lost. You like, man, I don't know what the hell going on. I don't even know the first step. Big bro, I'm with you on everything I love. I'm with you. That's why I try to keep everything as simple, and I'm talking about as 1, 2, 3 as I can, so you won't get discouraged. You won't get you won't feel lost. I'm talking about, this why I say keep everything simple, bro. It don't take all that thinking. I promise. It's if you just think about it, it's like I say, I just look 1, 2, 3. I mean, your kid know how to count to 3. They may not get to 4, but damn it, they can count to 3. I guarantee you that. Look here. Get the simple stuff out the way. Don't worry about all the complicated. No, man, I don't know what side guards you use, or what kind of clipper. What about these blades? You ever tried these? Man, don't worry about the blades. Don't worry about no clipper. Just learn about the outcome, the total look. The total look. When that person sit in your chair, he gonna tell you what exactly that he want. He gonna tell you what he want or she want. You need to already be having that image in your mind. The image that you done seen on your Instagram or in a magazine, on your face, whatever platform that you got, that you done seen some fire. You done say, dang, that's a fire cut. That cut, when they explain to you their haircut that they want, that they desire, they're gonna be the first cut pop in your head. And my friend, give them that cut that you see inside your mind. And your question like, dang, big, I mean that sound good, but how we gonna do that? This how we gonna do it. This how we gonna do it right here, cause we gonna be simple. We gonna be plain Jane simple. We gonna use one pair of clipper. And we gonna try to do everything that we need to do with the one pair of clippers to get that look that we want. You see what I'm saying? And it's possible. It's possible. You may think it's real hard, but man, I'm talking about easy, especially with these masters. Man, they got the damn blade on these masters. I'm talking about like a flat tooth comb. I'm talking about a kid can use these things. That's why I graduated from them. I said, man, I've been cutting hair with them so long. I said, I got to get away from them. I got to get away, cause I like the way they cut. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? They smooth, but I feel like they just so basic to me. They so basic, and I ain't gonna lie, man. I put pops in with these jokers, man. I ain't touched these jokers in I don't know how long. And, hey, you watch this video, man. Watch this video, man. I'm talking about just everything up with the wide open, halfway closed, with the level, with the guard, without the guard, and everything gonna come through. I'm talking about fall in line like you in the military. Everything on my mama. And but the way they cut no hair, I might even need to put them damn them magic clips down to pick these things up. Cause I got pops. I'm talking about going in. Yeah, let me just hold on. Yeah, check that comb out though. Check that comb out. I see this little area, man. Just look, you see what I'm saying? It's giving me. And then look, I ain't never giving up on that area, but I picked that little spot up with that comb, and I keep going. That's what you got to do. It don't matter how long it take, big bro. You stay right there until you get that look that you want. And we ain't using them but a blade and a comb. And it's something about them temper. You see that temper right there? That temper, when you look at a cut, when you look at anybody's haircut, to me, that's how I judge a cut. I judge a cut off the temple. The temple and the edge up, and the last thing, last but not least, the fade. But if that temper gotta always be at a length where that line gonna stick. If that hair too thick on temp sides, your line, it gonna be crisp when you first cut it, but a day or two, man, that hair gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. I'm talking about everywhere. That's why I try to keep them temps not real low, but I want them low enough where, you know what I'm saying, the edge, it'll last. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna last and it's gonna be crisp. When somebody look at them, they gonna be like, man, dang, dude, fresh, man, dude, he in there. Cut on, I'm talking about on point, everything straight, everything neat. Okay, you know how I am about this razor. You know I am about this razor. I'm old school. Sometimes I edge with clippers, and it depends on. I say it depends on the texture of the hair. It depends on the texture of the hair. It also depends on like the client, his skin. I feel like if they got smooth enough skin or a thick enough skin that they can take a razor without being, you know what I'm saying, pulling or nicking, I use my razor. If not, I go with the comb. And on the flip side, I'm so comfortable with this, with the razor. Now, I'm not finna tell you the book way to shave anybody. I wouldn't recommend that. If you know how to shave, my friend, you do it the best way you can. To me, honestly, I say there's no wrong or right way to shave, as long as the hair gone. You see what I'm saying? I'm a freehand fella. However I get that hair off, that's how I'm gonna get it off. I just make sure I pull the skin tight enough where I give me some smooth strokes, and that hair gonna fall off. Now I lubricate. It's crazy because I didn't record the way that I prep the skin before the shave, right? So I use what I use. You know I'm simple, so I give me some baby oil, right? Some baby oil. I use my baby oil and I put it in. I rub it in real good, right? I rub it in real good, and after I rub that in good, and I got the skin like moist enough, and then I apply my shaving gel, and I rub that in, and I rub that in real good, and everything. Once I feel like the skin is like it's like ready enough for my razor, man, I'm stroking. The kids, cover your ears, cause I'm talking about big gonna be stroking. I mean, non-stop, for real. You already know how I be. Now, this video, when I first did the video, man, the video was damn near 20 minutes long. Man, that video was 20 minutes long. I said, man, ain't nobody finna sit up here and listen to this damn thing for 20 minutes. And I said, man, you know what? I'm just finna go back and just cut little clips out. Like I cut part of the enhancements out because I feel like everybody know how to use enhancements. So I just cut pieces of that out, and I just really want to maintain. Really want to mainly just get the important details that you guys need. And I say this right here is real key. Now edging. You see how I got them like facing the front in the mirror. Now this me, I've been cutting hair almost 20 years. Now you may look at this video and look at the client and be like, man, damn dude, edge look lopsided. To me, it looked like it's lopsided too. But check this out. I've been cutting hair long enough to know everybody's head is not gonna be straight across. Everybody's edge is not gonna be straight across. Now I can make it straight across, but how you make it straight across, big? Well, you gonna have to dig up in this damn edge, and when it grow back, it gonna look real wild. And if he that type to be real pick on his edge up, he gonna let you know, man, my cut was straight, but my edge will push back. So I try to keep everything as natural as possible. I face my client in that mirror. I don't turn him away. And when I'm edging, he looking at the same damn thing I'm looking at. We both looking at the same thing. That's the way I am. When I want you to see everything that I see. So I'm not cheating you. I'm showing you exactly everything that I got. I'm talking about from enhancements to fading to edging and all. And once I'm done, if it's an area that he say, well, you know what, can you touch this up? Bam, I know exactly what you're talking about. We gonna tend to it. We gonna get right to it. So hopefully, man, this information that I laid on you guys, man, can help y'all. I thank y'all for rocking with me. It's been 16 minutes. Damn near 16. I appreciate y'all, man. I know it's wild out there and it's crazy, man. But hey, look here. And may God be with us all. And I hope to see you one day, man. I love all y'all. Oh, my mama. Until next time, my friend.